just one day after passing two controversial bills, one to review death penalty law and another to remove impunity for vice president, governors and deputy governors, the House of Rep don suddenly do U-turn for their decision. House leader wey dem dey call Professor Julius Ihonberry announce dis sudden change during Thursday plenary session. Di two bills don already pass second reading on Wednesday after 42 other proposed law wey dem consider. Deputy Speaker Benjamin Kalu, wey dey preside in di Speaker Abbas absence, explain say dem take dis step to allow for better debate on di sensitive matters. Im apologize to di bill sponsors but insist say di House need more time to properly discuss the heavy implication.
The House do note that the debate on the general principles of the underlisted constitutional alteration bills were debated and referred to the Committee on Constitutional Review for further legislation. That is one, a bill for an act to alter the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria 1999 as amended to qualify the immunity conferred on the President, remove the immunity conferred on the Vice President, the governors, and their deputies in order to curb corruption, eradicate impunity, and enhance accountability in public office and for related matters, HB 1664. And the other is a bill for an act to alter the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria 1999 to review the penalties for certain capital offenses in alignment with relevant international best practices and for related matters, HB 2120. The first bill is under Honorable Solomon T. Bob, and the other bill is under Honorable Benjamin Okezi and 6 others. We're aware that the provisions of the bills require that the House will take a second look at it. And cognizant of the need to rescind these bills, we resolve that these bills be rescinded.
Capital punishment as well as immunity. It's something that we have to debate later on in more detailed form. And I thank you for your understanding, the sponsors of the bill. They also understood that for now, we'll keep it until we debate later on in a more thorough, comprehensive form. Thank you.
Make una no forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. Oyifemi Onosimwa, TMC News.